pila dyan. Baka ito. Dito. Ayun, may pila eh. Kukunahin ba muna yan bago? Hindi ko alam. Siyempre, doon tayo sa may nakapila na.
Dito kami ngayon naghihintay dahil ang biyahe ay paano ba to isumbi? Ang biyahe ay 11:30 tas dumating kami 11:38 tas 1:30 pa ang kasunod 1:30 pa ang kasunod. Meron naman dito mga snack bar tas may kangkot tsaka may maliit na bakery doon. Yung bakery. Sabi ng tao doon sa bake shop, pumila na daw kami dito kasi hindi lahat magkakasya doon sa ferry. Kasi konti lang daw magkakasya sa ferry. So we'll see kung makakasakay kami kasi pang-apat kami sa pila.
Siguro yung iba umaayos na lang.
Kasi parang, hindi na tayo kakasya. Or something.
And dumadaan din dito ang bus. Kaya may waiting shed dyan. May maliit na ano pala dito. Ayun, nandun si Kim. So, here we are.
In the days of my life.
Ay, ang galing naman.
Yeah.
Makikita dito kung di sa satin.
Tapos pwede namang bumaba. Kagaya ng sa atin. Tapos libre to. Free. 100% free.
Tignan mo
Thanks.
yung yung may Victoria BC. MV Balfour.
MV Balfour. MV Balfour pala ko. Akala ko Osprey 2000 ang sasakyan natin. Hey doggy. Patay ka na?
Yes.
Sabi.
Ba.
Gising na rin yung dog.
Yay! Here we go. Here we go. Siya muna daw.
Babae pa ng driver niya nasa
Oo.
natin na yan.
Oo. Thank you. ako, diyan ka lang din.
Diretso lang?
Oo.
Grabe, abot sa kalsada yung pila.
Ay, ganyan tayo mamaya. Come on, vámonos! Everybody, let's go!
Tangay na dura ko.
Sige, diretsahin mo lang yan.
Ayun, ngayon ko lang mag-speed. Naka 60 lang dito.
I mean, ina-update lang kita na diretso lang.
Sa side na lang.
Ayun, dito ka mag-park sa tabi.
Ano bang parking?
North Broom Handcraft.
Pretty good. What a day. Beautiful day.
Are you the master brewmaker?
Yeah, I make a lot of these. There's two of us actually that build all the brooms.
Service mo.
Did you pick
The other broom maker makes all those.
which one you want?
I do more of the bigger stuff. Yeah.
Cute. Ano, may napili ka ba?
All shapes and sizes.
Hintay, nagtanong kung pwede tayong mag-biggie sa loob. Pwede yan.
Yeah. Yeah, he really wants to say hi.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah. He's
Okay.
Can we make friend gravy? This is great.
Gravy. Nice name.
Hi, Gravy.
What do you use for that?
The brush material is a special grass we call broom corn. It looks like corn while it's growing, but you don't get a cob, you get these long seed tassels instead.
Okay.
It's actually a type of sorghum.
Okay.
Oh, interesting.
Can I look at one?
You
Yeah,
grow,
Yeah, for sure.
you grow it here?
What I'm using, I actually import from Mexico. They're
Okay.
the nearest big producer.
Second spot. Malapit lang siya dun sa ano.
Ba yan?
Ha?
Bahay ba yan?
Ah, for sale. Malapit lang siya dun sa... How are you?
Good. You?
Hi. Oo nga, pang winter na.
Feel free to try those on if you're curious.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Naku, maganda. Magabagay ito sa inay.
Oo nga.
Bilang natin sa inay mo at saka sa inay mo.
Ano, magkano muna?
Ito. Ito maliit lang. Kay inay mo. Kaysa yung mga ganitong color. Eh kaso baka hindi niya magustuhan kasi mahilig baga siya sa mga colorful.
Mm.
Si inay mo. Pero ito maganda na kasi yung mga elegante. Ay, ito baka gusto niya.
Mm-mm.
Ay, maganda rin naman to. Kasi maiksi lang siya. 255.
Kasi ano siya, mahirap yan. Kailangan hand wash yan.
Ganda pala na. Bibili ba tayo? Ganda eh.
Nag-ano ba sila hulugan?
Siguro dun sa card mo. Cute.
Ay, di pang ano natin na yun sa sofa?
Ito kasi hindi to cover. Cover ba ito? Oo, ganito. Bili.
Yeah. Basically, weaving is making fabric by weaving the yarn that's on my shuttle across the yarn that's on here.
Mm-hmm.
And the way that makes it easier, I could do it over, under, over, under. It'd
Ah,
be
yeah.
really slow.
Yeah.
Or I can use my feet to pick up the threads I want to go under and leave down the ones I want to go over. And then I slide my shuttle through, and I've just gone over under 420 threads. So it makes it a lot
Ah,
faster.
that's how it works.
And then I'm going to pull that tight and pick up a different set of threads and come back again.
Ah. Oh, that's nice.
And the fabric I'm making right now is going to get cut up to make maybe baby bibs, water bags, trivets, things like that.
Yeah.
But because it's getting cut up, I can leave my tails hanging out, and that's okay. If it was going to be, say, one of those twisted shawls, I have to do nice edges. This lets me go faster because I don't have to tuck all my ends in. And
Oh, that's nice. Oh, so you just do it and roll it as you go through.
yeah, when I get to a color change, which I'll be coming up to one soon, I'll just put the new color in and leave the tail hanging out, and that's okay.
Oh.
Sometimes that wouldn't be okay, but it will be for this.
I thought it's like a continuous like thread that you have to go through and then finish it until it's done.
You can. Some weaving is.
Okay.
But even then, if you run out, there's a way. You don't want to tie them together because you don't want a knot in your fabric. But you just lay one in and then lay the other one over top and keep going. So that there's not you don't want a hole in the fabric. And it's okay if it's a little bit doubled up.
Okay. That sounds nice.
1, 2, 3.
What happened if you like lost count?
Well, this one I'm only counting to 4, so I can pretty much do that. But if it was a mistake, if I did it wrong, I can open that shed back up and go back up
like
and go
reverse
down
it.
again.
Okay.
Yeah. The only thing that makes it slow to unweave is that it's spooling off of here by itself, but it doesn't spool back on. But it comes from Quebec.
Nice.
All of our cotton and our chenille come from Quebec. We get our bamboo through Quebec, but I'm sure it's coming from Asia somewhere because Canada doesn't grow bamboo. Our wool, which is over there, comes from Alberta and Prince Edward Island.
Nice.
So
Local.
as much as we can, we keep it in Canada.
Yeah.
And then,
good.
yeah.
Hot dito. Tapos mag-park lang kami. Punta kami dito. Uy, ang cute nito. Rainbow. Yeah, it smells so good. So cute. Look at that. Gaganda. Lahat maganda, ano?
Isa lang. Ay, ang cute. This is cute. Ay, parang mas gusto ko ito kaysa dun sa ano.
Ako din.
Rainbow.
Subtle lang siya. Pumili ka na ng gusto mo. Mabayaran ko na yung nabasad kong mag.
Mas gusto ko ito. Kasi medyo kakaiba siya. Ito na lang kasi medyo sharp yung edge nito eh. Ito na lang. Pati siyang
Nagdidrip.
kasi tapos
nga. Ito, gusto ko. Yan ang kawanin mo?
Yes.
Paano inom? Maganda lahat. Ang ganda ng ganyan. Gusto ko yung mga color palette. Ito yung pila. Last kami sa third lane. So, hindi sure kung makakasakay kami sa 340. But we'll try. Ilan kaya makakapasok?
Hindi ko alam.
Hindi rin pala nakaalis yung katabi natin. Nandun lang sila.
Hindi umabot. Ayun, nakasarado na yung cone pero meron pang pwedeng sumabay sa atin. Ayun, may nakalagay ng cone so walang makakapasok na dun.
Kasi nga ito na ang pupunuan. Papaganito na.
Kaya nga. So we didn't catch the 340 ba? 340. So what are we gonna do?
Beach it is.
We're just gonna walk around here. But it's kind of hot, so I don't want to go there.
Uy, may restaurant.
Do
Ang
you
Port
wanna
Libero
go there?
restaurant.
Ay, baka sarado pa rin yan.
Gusto mo sa Ladybug?
Ayoko, gusto ko muna maglakad-lakad. Ang init eh.
Nasa pangalawang lane. Ayun yung sasakyan namin. Pinaka huli kami sa ikalawang lane. Baka kami dito sa batuhan. Sa batuhan magtampisaw. Look at that. Ano data prenup?
To the last lonely people in the world, and it's gonna be fine. Out of all the people in the world.
Parang picture, oh.
I just can't believe you're mine. In my life. Can you hear that? It's Mother Nature.
Mother Nature, Mother.
In the cars, you remember a butterfly, early summer, spraying on repeat, just like when we would be, like when we would be. I was born to tell you I love you, and I am told to do what I have to make you mine. Stay with me tonight.
Coming back home. Coming back to be you.
Ganun naman ang kaway niya para
Cuneta. Sharon Cuneta Show. Kamusta pa Mindoro?
Okay lang.
Mindoro nga ni